You know what pigeons are? They're like your clingy ex. You try to push them away, and they come back. With friends. Balconies, rooftops, AC units, window ledges, any spot that's a little shady, a little quiet, and a lot yours suddenly becomes a pigeon timeshare. They coo, they poop, they start families. They don't pay rent, but they do leave acid on your statues. People have tried everything. Shiny CDs, fake snakes, inflatable owls, ultrasonic alarms. That's not pest control. That's pigeon entertainment. They look at it, take a selfie, and move in. Enter Fakir Spikes. Not just a spike with a PhD in pigeon psychology. 29 centimeters wide. That's like putting up a velvet rope across your ledge, except pigeons aren't on the guest list. Needle spacing every 2 centimeters, angled in 10 directions like a porcupine doing yoga. Pigeons take one look and go, nope, I'm crashing at the neighbor's, he's got disco balls. Made of polycarbonate that doesn't yellow in the sun because even spikes deserve to age gracefully. Fits any surface, installs in minutes, no handyman required, no engineering degree needed. And the best part? It works. Hundreds of installations, 0 pigeon comebacks. So if you're tired of sharing your balcony with a flying poop machine, Fakir Spikes. The only spike that makes pigeons say, okay, we get it, we're out. These guys had a severe pigeon problem, roof, windowsills, the whole deal. I kicked them out with Fakir Spikes, and now the pigeons are hanging out at the neighbors, who will probably also call me soon to bring Fakir Spikes over to their place too.